Well, what I was trying to say when we're up on that hill, I just had a look at footage, see if you could hear it. You can't hear a thing. Is that I think I'd struggle coming up that hill with a full winter pack. My leg's still not back to 100%, and it is very muddy. I mean, wellies are getting stuck in this mud at times. So anyway, it's quite serene down here actually. So I'll have a bit of a walk around. Plenty of trees come down. I walk around, and I'll probably end up somewhere else. Probably Camp Stupid. Well, I do think you're a bit ambitious with me taking a full winter pack up Miners Hill. It's not as though it's a long walk, but it's very muddy. It can be steep at times, and it's a brilliant walk round. And well, I'm hoping to start back to work March 2nd, and I don't really want to mess that up by like pulling it out, slipping the road like that. But excellent place that I'm going to be going soon. When you haven't been there for a bit, you realise just how beautiful it is up there. They are taking a lot of trees down. There's plenty of wood to burn there at the moment. But I come down, I had a walk around legs, I got back to the car. I went down to Rain Valley, that's flooded. I just got out of the car and had a look, got back in the car. So I'm down here at trusty old Camp Stupid. The wind is coming in pretty blasting. Now it's not raining, which is good. It makes a change not having any rain. So I think I'm just going to like chill out down here for day and night. It's a winter camp, and that's what it's made for. I might burn that bed out there, but other than that, I might just take a bit of deadfall and just chill out around here. So yeah, anyway, I'll go camp together. Well, I don't suffer with gadgets, so I couldn't tell you how fast this wind blows at time, whether it's 50, 30 or 70 mile an hour. It's quite serene down here at the moment. I'll be in there tonight with same old setup with Cozy Tech. I have got loads of cones. They're not bad cones at all. They don't burn long cones, don't like. Well, I've got plenty in there. What I've brought down with me is I've got some lamb chops, I've got a mash pot, some beans. I brought catapult down with me because I'm going to have a pop at that squirrel. It is very greedy. I've got some fat balls left, some pikelets, a bit of nail varnish removers, mushrooms, one of them Axwick lights on, and some cheap cake and custard. Same old thing there. And I've just been informed where to get some good wood stash, and here it is. I mean that it is a bit wet, but I've been told what I can take and what I can't take, so it's a good bit of wood that, and there's plenty more of it. All birds are fed, so I'll go on with camp. But look at that, the mice have chewed into bushcraft bag, and there are a packet of trail mix in here. So what they've done, they've made the dennet trail mix while they've been eating it. Eat while you sleep. Fair play to them. Well, they haven't had a lot of course to use nice today, but here's the ones that I brought down. The two that Johnny Outdoors gifted me last week. That's a lovely little sharp knife, that is. I have been using that a bit. Got Zubat and a nice little compact fire set here. That's just a Stanley knife, a blade with a bit of wood glued on it, a striker that were broke off, little knife, and couple of pieces of fat wood, fits in there very nice, very portable. So I'm going to get fire on and get some lamb chops on. Well, I'm going to give this a bash today. I've got 4 lamb chops, some whole mushrooms, and in the oven today I've got mess tin just to keep chops front bottom, and the grill. I'll wrap them up, put them on there, mushrooms on top, get it on fire. And that's a fitting fire for slow cooked lamb chops. Well, I'm just waiting for beans and water. Lamb chops are done beautiful. I'm going to get one of them smash pots in there, loads of Lurpak butter, and these 2 lamb chops here, I'm going to wrap them back up and get them on this grill and just slowly cook them. Well, that's not looking too bad. Beautiful lamb chops, some creamy mash, beans and some mushrooms, and other 2 I've got dry grilling over at fire. Well, what more could you want apart from a can of red stripe? Fire's going nice and slow, and the draft head is not moving a fathom. Right, it's all just turning to rain now. Well, I'm going to save chops for breakfast. Have them with a few beans. I'm going to go straight to cake and custard. Look at this. Gorgeous. So I'm going to spend the next couple of hours just staring into fire. Well, the only wind I've seen is when I were up on hill this morning. There's been none down here whatsoever. Odd little gusts, a bit of rain. It's just started raining now, so it's only 10 o'clock, but we'll finish this can Get head down. See you in the morning. Morning. Well, it rained all night. It's about 9:15 now and it's only just stopped. So I think I'll get up, make some breakfast. Well, that's breakfast sorted. Couple of lamb chops, poached eggs, beans, some pie clips with loads of butter, coffee. Well, things are a bit muddy, but things are never that bad when you've got cake and custard. Look at that. Gorgeous. Well, we have the Three Musketeers.
Morning, it's afternoon now.
Well, as I'm eating my cake and custard, Ray has bought me a present that they found up in some woods up north. Look at that, I love that. Mr. Reed, Jay, Goody Bushcraft, and Ray's Wild Ways. Cheers, lads.
Cheers.
Well, I've been after one of these for years, hoping to find one. And I knew Ray had found this last night while he were camping up north. So I gave him a bell. He's brought it me down. Fair play to him. I love this. Look at that. It's got all its teeth. Bit delicate on this front end, but fair play to you, Ray. Nice one, mate. Well, we've got a little visit from Joe. The sun is shining. A couple of his kids are playing in the hammock. It's a different day now, isn't it? Well, I'm about ready. Everything's packed up, cleaned fire out. Very little to take home. Take my skull home. A bag of rubbish. I think that is coming down next time I'm down here. I never got round to taking it down this weekend. that's how it's looking. Well, we didn't get none of them strong winds down here in camp, but from 10 o'clock onwards it hammered it down with rain, and it rained all night. When I got here yesterday, the catchment pit was empty. This morning it were full. So anyway, I'm going to leave birds, get the snap. Sun's shining, it's quite a lovely day. But I'm going to get off home, sort the rubbish out, and get on with things. I don't know when I'll next be down here. It could be midweek. I start back to work very soon. So I'll just see what happens. I mean, this is still full now. So anyway, been a few good folk coming down. Ray, thanks for Skull. Still all full. So till next time. Bye.